You might have heard whispers, quiet rumors floating around the coin-collecting world. Some call it a myth, others swear they've seen the proof, a 1925 Mercury dime said to be worth millions of dollars. A tiny silver coin that most people walked past, spent on bubblegum, or stored in a jar for decades, now suddenly surrounded by mystery and wild stories. Could this humble dime actually hold life-changing wealth? Could a forgotten piece of history from 1925 turn someone into a millionaire overnight? Today, we're diving deep into the truth. And trust me, the answer is not what most people expect. So make sure you watch and listen till the very end, because we're going to break down every detail, from design to history, key variations, real market prices, and finally, the truth behind the million-dollar claims. Before we talk value, let's step back in time, to a world still healing from World War I. In 1916, the U.S. Mint introduced a brand new dime design by Adolph A. Weinman, the same artist who created the famous Walking Liberty half-dollar. On the front, we see Lady Liberty, wearing a winged cap, a symbol of freedom of thought. But people mistook the winged cap for the Roman god Mercury, and the nickname Mercury Dime was born. On the reverse, we see a fasces, a bundle of rods tied around an axe, representing strength and unity. Wrapped around it, an olive branch, symbolizing peace. A powerful message for a nation recovering from war, strength, and peace. The Mercury dime ran from 1916 to 1945, and the 1925 version sits right in the middle of its golden era. It isn't just a coin, it's a story in metal, a symbol of courage, and a slice of American history carried in millions of pockets. Now, the 1925 Mercury dime wasn't just minted in one place. It came from Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark. San Francisco, S. Denver, D. And condition matters a lot. Collectors especially look for something called full bands, meaning the tiny horizontal bands on the fasces on the back are fully separated and sharply struck. If those bands are crisp, the value jumps dramatically. Why? Because that kind of sharp strike is rare, and rarity is gold in the coin world. So a dime that most people spent without thinking suddenly becomes a treasure if preserved perfectly. Alright, this is where things get interesting. The average 1925 Mercury dime, one that's been circulated, used in pockets and purchases decades ago? Around $3 to $15. Not life-changing, just collectible. But as condition improves, things climb. Nice circulated examples, $20 to $50. High-grade, mint state, coins, $150 to $600. Gem grades, $800 to $2,500. Now let's talk about the big money. The rare full bands, FB, strikes. 1925, P full bands, can reach $5,000 to $12,000 plus depending on grade. 1925, D full bands, harder to find well struck, can reach $10,000 to $50,000 plus in top condition. 1925, S full bands, scarce in high grade, exceptional specimens have crossed $50,000 to $60,000 plus. So yes, this tiny dime can be worth tens of thousands of dollars. Not pocket change anymore, that's real money. Now, before we crack open the mystery, here's the key question. Has a 1925 Mercury dime ever sold for $1 million? Let's be honest, transparent, and real. There is no verified auction record of a 1925 Mercury dime reaching the $1 million mark. The rumors likely grew from the fame of ultra-rare Mercury dimes like the 1916 D, confusion with legendary dime sales like the 1894 S Barber dime, worth millions, viral posts and exaggerated claims online. So, the $1 million story. A captivating rumor, a thrilling legend, but not reality for the 1925 dime. Here's where suspense rises again. While none have hit $1 million yet, the rare coin market is unpredictable. If a perfectly preserved, absolutely flawless 1925 Mercury dime with stunning luster, rare strike, and full bands appeared, a museum-grade miracle, could it shock the market one day? It's not impossible. Coins have broken expectations before. Collectors chase perfection like treasure hunters chasing lost gold. So while you shouldn't expect your spare change dime to retire you, the 1925 Mercury dime remains a beautiful, historic coin. A potentially valuable treasure in top condition. A piece with legendary potential, just maybe not the $1 million jackpot yet. So yes, the myth is powerful, the whispers dramatic. And while the $1 million story remains a dream for now, this coin still proves one truth. In numismatics, history and rarity turn metal into magic. Keep searching, keep learning, because the next legendary discovery might be sitting quietly in someone's hand right now, waiting for the world to notice it.